Okay, folks, let's go for a test drive and see how it goes. Okay, so the first few minutes of this video is me trying to get my Pixel 3 camera phone to take some in-car footage. But as you'll see, it doesn't seem to like it. No matter where I put the camera or how tight I mounted it or how loose I mounted it. I even put a bunch of rubber under some of the mounts to try to isolate it, but it would still just kind of do this distortion jello effect. So after playing around with it for a while, I got on and I googled it, and evidently this is a problem with the Pixel 3 camera phones. So I kind of ditched it, and later in this video you'll see some in-car footage from a GoPro that I bought used on eBay. So for now, you'll see a couple shots of me with the Pixel 3 in there, and you can kind of get an idea what's going on. I tried it with the stabilization off and on, and just didn't seem to make a difference. Okay, in this second section of the video, I've got some aerial footage thanks to my neighbor and friend Wayne and his wife Christine. So sit back and enjoy. Okay, so in this section of the video is some in-car footage with the GoPro camera that I got off of eBay. It's a used unit, but it was in really good shape and seems to take pretty good pictures. So as you can see, it started to sprinkle, so the view out of the front windshield isn't the best. And also the GoPro is inside the waterproof case, so the audio kind of suffers too. I'm going to have to do some experimenting with the exterior microphone. Also, some of you sharp-eyed viewers might notice that I've got the Track Addict app on my phone there, and if you can see it, you'll see my top speed in a couple of the high-speed runs. And also, if you keep a sharp eye out, you might notice me do a recall on the tachometer and a reset. But anyway, sit back and enjoy a few shots from the inside of the car. Okay, in this last section of the video, you can see some shots that Christine took with her camera phone. Some nice flybys and stuff. Thanks again to Wayne and Christine for your help. And thanks everybody for watching the video. That's it for now. We'll see you next time.